Producing bulbous pusa, Orthosipon aristatus of the family Lamiaceae. Bulbous pusa is an evergreen plant that can grow to 61 centimeters tall as it matures and spreads even wider. The long, elegant stamens look just like white cat whiskers or bulbous pusa in Filipino, which is how the plant got its name. In tropical regions, it can grow to 1 meter tall and flowers throughout the year. In countries like China, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines, the plant is used to treat various illnesses. It was found to possess anti-inflammatory, anti-hypertensive, antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. One of its most widespread traditional applications is as a diuretic, promoting increased urine production to help alleviate conditions such as edema and hypertension. It has also been frequently used to manage urinary tract problems, including kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Beyond its renal and diuretic effects, traditional medicine also utilized bulbous pusa for digestive issues, rheumatism, arthritis, and gout. Modern research continues to explore these traditional uses, investigating the plant's potential for antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support.